My given name is Fortinbras, and yes, it feels funny, dressed in civvies. First time in 10 years. The Roman legionaries had to serve 25, but we get to return after 10. These are earth clothes. Even the word earth conjures something from my imagination, more than simply home. It's the feel of brown earth in your fingers, the taste of something that has grown in the earth, and the smell of the sweet brown earth. Even the word itself sounds earthy. These years in the Iberian Quadrant have left me sick. It is work that I was trained for, and I'm good at it. But even the blood of alien creatures clings to your hands, your eyes, your nostrils. They say that the blood of these things will create the universe, will cleanse the universe and make it free from sin and shame. That's what the priests say. This alien blood is an offering to bring the planets together again, they say. But I say that the blood is hard to wash away. You are right to think that this sector is a punishment, i.e. where the bitterest fighting is. And that's why I want to leave this little video, in case someone wants to hear my story. I mean, really hear it, in case I'm never allowed back. My crime is that I was loved by a human. Eloise is the daughter of a priest. The priests make our religion. We enact the sacrifice. But something changed in her when she listened to the dangers I had passed. She whispered on our first night together that she had not known that we are meant, humans are meant, to taste the blood and the earth. She said it was a little trickle of blood on my scalp that somehow catapulted her into loving me. She could suddenly see me, like a black night in space lit up by a meteor shower. You never really know deep night until you've been thousands of fathoms deep. Did I know that we were breaking every taboo and crossing every barrier? I don't think you need to ask, and I would say every yes all over again and again, to the ends of the earth, always. And I would always, if I were given that one moment of choice again, give that same answer, and it would be